Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Isomac Penos espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was, just the pump was making a humming sound and I was doing some good, so we ended up replacing both the water pump and the three-way sonograph. Three-way sonograph is this one, and it wasn't pretty much opening all the way and it wasn't letting the machine to get back flush. So we ended up replacing that and replacing the pump as well, because basically the pump died because there was no water passing out through here and you forced this little pump, so we had to replace it. So let's test it out. As you can see, good water flow. Nice. Perfectly. Pressure gauge working, and there you have it. Isomac working once again. Thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.